Welcome back to the how-to channel. And again, I'm showing you how to make serious money using Chatgpt. Now guys, you can see all over the internet, Chatgpt is incredibly popular. And what's even better than that is you can make some serious money by using it. All you gotta do is sign up for a free account. Super easy. All right guys, go to Chatgpt, put in your email, and guess what? That's your account made. No card details, nothing. Once you have done that, please just ask Chatgpt to write you a YouTube script. Now you can choose anything you want. It could be the benefits of yoga. It can be fighting dinosaurs. Anything you want, okay? And I'm going to show you how you turn this into instant money. So let's type into ChatGPT. Write a YouTube script about the benefits. Let's just say walking. Write a YouTube script about the benefits of walking. Okay, now it's going to write this script for us. It is a bit of a generic video. And I'm going to show you where you put this to make some money. Super easy. Copy and paste that. Go over to InVideo. Okay, and scroll down, you'll see where it says it can make the script. It's really simple. You paste this in there, it makes you a promotional video for that script. You don't have to do any work. Then you can go over to bank.com, okay, where you can use your ClickBank affiliate link. So let me show you that now. So you've made the video on InVideo, you go over to bank, okay, ClickBank, and then simply sign up for the affiliate links and start selling the videos. Like for more help.